Union Telecom Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia stated that satellite communication services in India, including Elon Musk's Starlink, will be rolled out only after meeting all security requirements. Spectrum allocation for these services will follow once the Department of Telecommunications finalizes pricing in consultation with the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. The Digital Communications Commission will decide subsequent steps. Scindia also addressed Vodafone Idea Limited (VIL's) ongoing request for financial relief. The government has converted 37,000 crore rupees of VIL's dues into equity, resulting in a 49% government stake in the company. VIL has informed the Department of Telecommunication that its total liabilities amount to 2 lakh crore rupees. Without additional relief, VIL faces annual payments of approximately 18,000 crore rupees from March 2026 for exceeding its annual cash generation. While the company has cautioned about potential market duopoly and higher tariffs, Scindia asserted that India's telecom market remains robust and competitive. The government continues to monitor this sector closely, balancing industry viability with regulatory and security considerations.